Hello guys! So another meme coin na naman tayo. So Gizmo Kaka ang name ng meme coin na to. So the token project Gizmo, born from nothing, built for everything. Remember the classic, we grew up with the movies that made us feel, the soundtracks that stayed with us. We didn't just watch. We learned loyalty, courage, sacrifice. This story shaped us, and though the world changed, something inside stayed the same. So GMK is not just another meme coin. It's the first meme coin deploy rooted in real pop culture. Built on memories, meaning, and the quiet strength of the generation that still remember what matters. GMK stands for Gizmo Kaka, a bold, playful tribute to the films that raise us and the creativity that refuses to die. So, but behind the humor and meme lines, something deeper. So, for those who look closer, GMK holds a hidden meaning. Glory to my king, not for the meme, but for something greater, a quiet foundation of purpose, honor, and inner clarity that gives everything we do. Okay? So, how to buy? Create a wallet, Wallet Phantom, or another wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store. And then, this is the GMK tokenomics. So, sex listing. So, 35%, DEX is 33%, burn 1% only, marketing 8%, giveaways 4% for the airdrop, and the team has a lot of percentage on the token. So, 20%, malaki yan. Get some USDT. To buy GMK, you'll need USDT on the Solana network. You can transfer USDT from another Solana wallet or withdraw USDT SPL version from a centralized exchange like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. Make sure to choose the Solana network, ayan, when withdrawing. Go to Radium or Jupiter. So, phase 1. Switch USDT for GMK. Switch USDT for GMK. We have zero taxes, so you don't need to worry about buying with a specific slippage, although you may need to use slippage during market volatility. Also, you can swap Sol for GMK. So, Spielberg made epic movie, we will make epic meme coin. Let's work together. So, holding never fails. Holding is all about ignoring short-term volatility in favor of long-term gains. So, Gizmo journey, like a movie, guys. So, disclaimer, we are not affiliated with Warner Bros., Hollywood, or any major studio. We move independently with vision, creativity, and fearless hearts. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. So, I think that's all about this meme coin. So, the chart, let's check the chart, guys. Okay, this screener. Right now, the token has, going up, no? It's going up from the dip on May 15, and then on 17, it goes up again on the chart. If you want this token, you can buy it here using your Solana network, guys. Again, that's all for today. And if you want this meme coin, just click the link below and then buy your own token. Invest what you can afford to lose lang pala, guys. So again, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.